Hi, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to SA Accounting Academy. Here's a short clip on one of our previous webinars. I hope that you really do enjoy it.
Good morning, everybody. Morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to our November monthly compliance and legislation update. So you've all been able to download the slides for today. It's under at the top. You'll see there's public and there's shared files. The PowerPoint slides are under there, the PDF format. So you can download the slides from there. Otherwise, you would have been able to do that while you were in the waiting room. Right. So let's officially start. A warm welcome to our November MCLU. My name is Lettie Janse van Vuuren, and as always, I will be your facilitator for the next 2 hours. I don't like to say presenter because I like to facilitate learning, and it's more of an information session. Right. So there's a little bit of a blurb about me. If you haven't been to my webinars before, from the looks of it, I've seen a couple of new names. So warm welcome to those of you that are new. And then to all the regulars, hello again. All right. Let's have a quick squiz at what's on the agenda for today. On the agenda for today, we're looking at, as usual, our normal topics. The only one that we don't have anything for is the COVID-19 update. Things have been quiet on the COVID-19 front, and I do hear that we are once again being targeted for a fourth wave, or that's what they estimate. I shouldn't say being targeted because it sounds almost like a conspiracy. But that's it. The notes, Debbie, you'll find under your shared files. I just got a question from Debbie there. I just caught my eye. The notes are under your shared files, or you will find it on your profile. All right. So if you go back to the slide on webinar housekeeping, you'll go to your dashboard, view events, and then click on the webinar title of today, MCLU November. Click on links and resources, and under your files tab is where you'll find all of that. All right. So you'll see we've got quite a lot in terms of the regulator news, and there were a couple of important ones there. One important one under company secretarial, and then you'll see that there are 22 court cases, right, after them being quiet for like 3-4 months. Slap bang, everything comes now. So all I've done is I've given you the links to that, and you'll be able to go through that on your own. All right. So very interesting as well. These 3 articles I found are also quite nice to know about. All right, so let's get started. My quotes for this month is more of a cartoon and a quote than anything else. I think we've all had our fill of the Black Friday advertising. So this is the guy that says we think we're onto something. Black Friday, Charcoal Thursday, Ebony Wednesday, Onyx Tuesday, Noir Monday, Grey Sunday, Dark Saturday. So we know Cyber Monday is obviously a lot. Cyber Monday is also coming. But yeah, it's only in South Africa where Black Friday lasts like 2 or 3 weeks, and the specials are nowhere near what they should be. All right, a true Black Friday is you get it for like 10% of the original purchase price, not an SA. All right, and then I found this because I'm quite a big fan of Anne Lamott's quotes, and she said that almost everything will work again if you unplug it for a few minutes. You know, that's with anything in life, with the laptop, computers, your cell phone, whatnot, everything, our smart TVs. And what I like about this is it says, including you. So please, guys, we've got like 3 weeks left. Remember to unplug when you go on leave. All right. Remember to unplug yourself from your social media and all sorts, and just, yeah, we'll work again in the new year. I know we've all had a tough one. Let's jump straight into our accounting update. There has not been that much on the front here. In terms of the IFRS monthly news summary, really nothing new. There really hasn't been anything that I can say, oh, this is mind-blowing or anything like that. So, yeah, I don't think that we need to worry too much about that. In terms of the... Oops, let me just get back to my slide. There we go. Got it. The accounting manuals for modified cash standards were also issued by National Treasury. And these are the 3 documents in purple that I've given you. I've given you the document where they've issued it, and the document where they say they've published it for comments, and then all the accounting manuals are in a zipped folder for you. All right. So it's all of them are in there. And then I've also given you Annexure C, which is the practitioner's report. Okay. So it's for the March 2022 year. So it's all in there for you. This is only for public sector, all right? So only for the public sector, municipalities and so on, and educational institutions. Yes. Thank you, Jeremiah. We know that SAAA is also having their Black Friday special from today. So even our Black Friday special lasts for 3 days at least. And please go and check it out. There is a link on there as well. You'll see it in your chat pod. All right. The public sector tools that were released by the Office of the Accounting General, once again, also for your public sector accounting. So these would be for your municipalities and stuff. And it's quite nice that these are being issued on an annual basis now. And the three of them is the interim revenue fund template, the interim revenue fund template, and there's a link to it. There's a guideline for preparing the Excel interim template for the financial year. And then lastly, there's the guide on preparation of the revenue fund template. All right, so the guide on the first one. So those three documents have been issued and they are all available to you as source documents as well. All right. If I take you to the Office of the Auditor General, you'll find, let me just share my screen with you quickly. There we go. There's your Annexure C. All right, is your special, your annual report for public entities. So you've got that there, and there's the three templates: the revenue fund template, the two guides, and there's all the AMDs, all the accounting manuals in a compressed folder for you as well. Right, and that's the actual information on the document that was published. Right, the modified cash standard. Okay, so let's get back to our slides. And that's it for the accounting update. Really, nothing new. We'll wait. We're waiting with bated breath now on the auditing front for the less complex entities standard that has been issued. Everybody have been issuing requests and surveys and quicker ways to comment because they want a lot more input, not just from auditors, but from everybody who this touches. And that would fall under the less complex entities as well. So all that this is it's supplemental guidance that was issued. And I know that they did say that they are issuing a second set of supplemental guidance documents. So we will wait for that. They did say towards the end of October, November, nothing yet. So hopefully in January, I think everybody has sort of reached their let's leave the development for the new year. So that's the guidance document, and it helps to provide guidance on modifications and other changes to the auditor's report when we are going to be using the proposed standard. So it really is guidance on the changes to the auditor's report. What do you need to make? What do you need to worry about? What do you need to disclose in addition? And remember, this is a document issued by IFAC, and the IFAC documents will then be adopted by OBA as well. Right. They will obviously publish when they do that, but they've already said that they are waiting for the changes to come through or for the comments to come through. Right. The mapping document just helps us to navigate between the existing ISAs and the requirements of the newly proposed ISA. So the new ISA, International Standard of Auditing for less complex entities, you'll remember that Karen also referred to this last month. Okay. So they are also available for you there. There are three documents. It says three by the IAASB. There are three documents that were issued there. Okay, that we can go and have a look at. Then the other auditing updates is just a document that was issued by the FRC. Now that's the Financial Reporting Council. And all this document looks at how do we address exceptions when we are using audit data analytics. So really it looks at the ethical considerations that professional accountants need to give.
I hope that you enjoyed that video. For more of our webinar videos, go to www.accountingacademy.co.za. Thank you and have a lovely day.